In this week's Caribbean music video, we head on over to St. Martin. Here's Red Eye Crew with Jack and Rose instructions.
International stage.
The outstanding career achievements of one-time dancehall star Lady Saw are chronicled in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
For more than 2 decades, dancehall's leading DJ, Lady Saw, carved out an enviable niche among her contemporaries. She had a long string of hit singles, collaborated with several North American and European artists, and she was even featured on a gold and triple platinum selling single. She also scored a hit on the Billboard R&B Singles Chart. Her career began in the late 1980s, but it wasn't until the early 1990s that she became a household name in Jamaica and around the world. Lady Saw is to date the only female Jamaican dancehall artist to have won a Grammy Award. For her major accomplishments in music, we salute Lady Saw as our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to the Jamaican culture.
Did your favorite song make the cut? There's only one way to find out in this week's Magnum Top 10.
We don't laugh with people, rising my dick and run the moon. Me greedy and me with up in your schema, empty on your The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody want me life. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme, cut me now, you could not stop farm. Louis V don't no fat farm, in a smarty data, me a gun, same flame, top farm. You go up with any platform, buy a couple things to keep the black warm. You have the tightest thing in the world, tightest thing in the world. When you sit down for me, boy, girl, you make me to a girl, girl, you make me to a girl. On it. Whoa, whoa. She said good piece of but you get me up when you are twerking. This a cup you not nothing to worry about your body perfect. I saw me neck watch her freeze my wrist. Me and me talk them in the street like this. Every girl see we want to be my chick. Watch her now.
Drip. VVS Diamonds a drip. AMG engine a kick. Big body thing body kit.
Baseline, tell if you went on the baseline. But connect to your baseline. Can't turn up in a party, waste time. Better you wine on the baseline.
Ice and chaser, come keep that drink up. The vibes right, I'm thugs, them hyper, we don't give.
That's how we bid you farewell from Cherry Gardens in St. Andrew. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. This week, we leave you with the latest video from Hood Celebrity. See you next week.
Me and my friends pop bottles in a real life. For where some girl feel like. I where some girl feel like in a real life. I've been getting money when I feel like. Everything designer when you feel like. Bitch, I'm really.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say, I ride cool, me say, I play cool, me say, I stay cool, me say, I drink cool, me say. My friend them Billy split them with I cool them drink it in them with